Hello, my name is Maha Marzougi. I'm from the UAE and I will study here in Switzerland for the next 3 years. I'm here for a dual BA degree in culinary arts, and so far I can say that this is my life's passion. The responsibility and experience that I gain here are eye-opening and it's so fun. I start my day by having breakfast with my classmates, and then we run off to class, either studying in a classroom or working away in the kitchen. In the kitchen, we work in teams to create a menu consisting of an appetizer, main course, and dessert. The most rewarding part is that we get to eat them. After my class ends, I usually rest for an hour and start doing chores like cleaning up my room and organizing my clothes. I like to study in my room, the library, or at a cafe nearby to work and complete my assignments. Then comes the fun part, where I need to recharge. I meet up with my friends and we sit for hours laughing and playing in the student lounge. I love to walk by the lake, eat at our favorite kebab shop, and then sit on the balcony and listen to music. Sometimes we go out for dinner or attend the winter market, where they sell products, food, and most importantly, hot chocolate. Finally, I return to my room and prepare my things for the following day to start all over again. I started to pursue my culinary dream after I graduated from high school. There weren't any culinary universities available in Abu Dhabi, so I joined the next best thing, a culinary institute in Dubai called ICCA. I was convinced that this was my destiny. When I attended a seminar hosted by EDIC and BHMS, I was happy to discover that the programs at BHMS are supported and encouraged by the government. The academic modules take 5 weeks to complete, including midterms, finals, projects, and assignments. A work-intensive environment pushes you to manage your time and get things done efficiently and quickly. Finally, I have always loved to cook. Having this opportunity to study cooking professionally is a dream come true, and I am so proud of how far I've gotten. When I graduate and return home, I plan to open up a culinary school so that everyone and anyone interested in culinary arts will gain the happiness and knowledge I gain from it. It would be great to see other Emiratis pursuing creative and different majors, especially in the culinary industry, which is rare.